Today, I'm going to teach you how to alert someone automatically in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you need team members to be instantly notified when specific changes happen in your sheet, like when a task is marked as complete or when certain criteria are met. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets and workspaces are stored. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing files or sheets. Find the specific sheet where you want to set up the automatic alert and click on it to open it. This is the sheet where you'll be configuring the automation rules. When the sheet fully loads, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see an option labeled Automation. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create from Template. This opens up a library of pre-built automation templates that Smartsheet offers, making it much easier to set up common workflows without starting from scratch. In the template library, look for the option that says Alert someone when specified criteria are met. This is the exact template we need for this task. Once you've found it, click Use Template to proceed with the setup. Now you'll need to configure the trigger that will activate this alert. Click on the Trigger section and choose when rows are changed. This tells Smartsheet to monitor the sheet for any modifications. Next, you'll see an option that says Any Field. Click on it to specify which column you want to monitor. For this example, I'll select the checker column, then I'll choose Done as the specific value that will trigger the alert. This means whenever someone changes a row in the checker column to Done, the automation will activate. At this stage, you also have the option to add additional conditions if you need them. This is entirely optional and depends on your specific workflow needs. You might want to add conditions to make the alert more targeted, but for now we'll keep it simple. Next, you'll notice the Alert Someone section is already configured. Here you can choose who will receive the alert when the trigger conditions are met. Click on this section to select specific team members or contacts who should be notified. You can add multiple people if needed. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, click Save to finalize the automation rule. The system will process your settings and create the automation. However, there's one final crucial step. On the right side of your newly created automation, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots, and from the menu that appears, activate the automation. This switches it from draft mode to active mode, meaning it will now start monitoring your sheet and sending alerts based on your criteria. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic alerts in Smartsheet, ensuring that the right people are notified at the right time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.